Hi, this is the NQ711B head unit. It's a 1DIN with front USB, aux input, microphone for Bluetooth calls and streaming music, and detachable faceplate. It is a mechless unit. On the back we have ISO harness, antenna adapter, AM and FM. We also have 4 pre-outs and external inputs for a microphone. Also comes with ISO harness and a remote control. The unit is connected and I'm going to show how you can pair the Bluetooth. We just have to look for it and then you have to accept it. It's in Portuguese, but I'm going to translate it. So, when you have connected, you can go to the NAKAMICHI app. This works like a remote controller. You can get the AM receiver here, AM and FM tuner here. You can change it here. You can control the volume here. And you also get the equalizer here. You can tune the treble, you can tune the bass. And you also can control the balance here. I just have one speaker here, so I'm going to put it here. So put it all, you can center the volume here for only one speaker that I have here installed. You can also control the Bluetooth, the music that you have on your phone. Let me put it some a little bit higher, and you can control it here, or you can control it also on your head unit. This works as a remote control, and it also comes with a remote controller. You don't need to have the app connected, you can use it by yourself, but it's very simple to use it here. If you have a USB dongle in here, you can also control it like I was showing on the Bluetooth music. You can do it also on the USB. So I'm going to make a call to show you the quality of the phone possibility. Here you can connect also an external microphone, but you can also use the front one. I'm just using the front mic and I'm calling my wife. Hi, Luisa.
Hi.
I'm showing the Bluetooth on the 1711B, the NAKAMICHI head unit. I'm going to put a little bit higher the volume. Are you listening to me well?
Very well.
Is there any lag or any interference?
No.
Is everything working correctly?
Yeah.
Yeah. As you can listen to her, the call is perfect, and I'm going to disconnect it here. I can disconnect it here on the phone or in the radio. Let me put it here. You also have the push to talk button. If you press it here, it goes to the tool for the Google. Hi Google, how's the weather like today?
In Ferreira do Zezer today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 19 and a low of 8 degrees Celsius.
You can also
19 and partly cloudy.
You can also use Siri on this, and I'm going to ask what's Siri. Hey Google, what's Siri?
Siri is Apple's intelligent personal assistant.
If you pair an iPhone, you also have the same features, but with the iPhone. You can connect here to the Siri, everything you can use on the virtual assistant.